Guys, I just want to share to you yung email sa akin ng SeaBank, and I'm sure nag-send din ang SeaBank sa ating mga SeaBank app, and na-receive nyo po yan. Doon sa notification makikita nyo po, and it's official na nag-rebrand na po si SeaBank into Maribank. Naging na po siyang Maribank Philippines Incorporated, a rural bank, fully embracing our integration into the Maribank Singapore Banking Group. Ito po para clear po sa ating mga SeaBank holder or SeaBank user, while our name is changing, sabi niya po sa baba, we remain dedicated to providing you and your followers with reliable banking solution, rewarding programs, and excellent customer service. Rest assured that your SeaBank physical card will continue to work as usual. So don't worry po sa mga SeaBank debit card or physical card po natin na nakalagay is SeaBank, functional pa rin po yun para clear po tayo. And there's no need to replace it. Mapaka-clear na po ng email, no need to replace our SeaBank physical card. Ito naman po sa baba, sabi niya, you will soon see the Maribank name on our app after you update to the latest version. As of recording this video, today po is September 18, 2025. Hindi ko pa po siya ma-update, so hindi pa po available na i-update as of recording this video na i-update si SeaBank into Maribank. So let's wait po sa SeaBank app natin na ma-update po siya. Ino-notify naman po tayo ni SeaBank. And then sabi niya, as well as on our social media pages, websites, and official communication. We will continue to be supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a rural bank, and deposits will remain insured by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation or PDIC up to 1 million. So it's still PDIC insured and BSP regulated. And yes guys, it's official, si SeaBank po ay Maribank na siya. Don't worry, safe pa rin po yung ating account, and let's wait na po ma-refresh talaga yung ating SeaBank account. And if you're still interested to open your SeaBank account or /Maribank, you can still download it po via App Store, Play Store. And once you sign up, don't forget po to use our referral code no March 26 so that you can get a 75 pesos po na referral reward higher than the SeaBank referral reward or /Maribank referral reward, kasi may partnership pa rin po tayo sa kanila. But make sure po to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days, and legit naman po papasok po yan. And follow for more.